I'm Narmada, Assistant Professor, Department of Cybersecurity, working in Dr. S. Lakshmi College of Arts and Science. So, in today's lecture, we'll discuss about big data analytics. What is big data? Big data is high volume, velocity, and variety information assets that demand cost effective, innovative forms of information processing for enhanced insights and decision making. This definition clearly answers the what is big data question. Big data, it refers to complex and huge data sets. It have to be processed and analyzed to uncover valuable information that can benefit businesses and organizations. However, there are certain basic tenets of big data that will make it even simpler to answer what is big data. It refers to massive amount of data that keeps on growing exponentially with time. It is so voluminous that it cannot be processed or analyzed using conventional data processing technique. It includes data mining, data storage, data analysis, data sharing, and data visualization. The term is an all comprehensive one, including data frameworks, along with the tools and techniques used to process and analyze the data. The history of big data. Although the concept of big data itself is relatively new, the origin of large data set go back to the 1960s and 70s when the world of data was just getting started with the first data centers and the development of the relational database. Around 2005, people began to realize just how much data users generated through Facebook, YouTube, and other online services. Hadoop was developed that same year. NoSQL also began to gain popularity during this time. The development of open source frameworks such as Hadoop was essential for the growth of big data because they make big data easier to work with and cheaper to store. In the years since then, the volume of big data has skyrocketed. Users are still generating huge amount of data, but it is not just human who are doing it. With the advent of the Internet of Things, more objects and devices are connected to the Internet, gathering data on customer usage patterns and product performance. The emergence of machine learning has produced still more data, while big data has come for its usefulness as only just beginning. Cloud computing has expanded big data possibilities even further. The cloud offers truly elastic scalability where developers can simply spin up ad hoc clusters to test a subnet of data. Benefits of big data and data analytics. Big data makes it possible for you to gain more complete answers because you have more information. More complete answer means more confident in the data, which means a completely different approach to tackling problems. Characteristics of big data. Back in 2001, Gartner analyst listed three V's of big data: variety, velocity, and volume. So let's discuss one by one. Variety. Variety of big data refers to structured and semi-structured data that is gathered from multiple sources. While in the past, data could only be collected from spreadsheets and databases, today data comes in an array form such as emails, PDFs, photos, videos, audios, SM posts, and so much more. Variety is one of the important characteristics of big data. Velocity. Velocity essentially refers to the speed at which data is being created in real time. In a broader prospect, it comprises the rate of change, linking of incoming data sets at varying speeds, and activity burst. Volume. Volume is one of the characteristics of big data. We already know that big data indicates huge volume of data that is being generated on a daily basis from various sources like social media platforms, business processes, machines, networks, human interactions, etc. So such a large amount of data stored in data warehouse thus comes to the end characteristics of big data. So from this lecture, you can understand about what is big data and the characteristics of big data. Thank you.